Hey everyone, welcome to our video, how to removing the dust bag from your vacuum cleaner. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or simply want to keep your vacuum in top shape, this guide will provide you with all the information you need. Let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Introduction to the dust bag. Before we dive into the removal process, let's understand the importance of the dust bag. The dust bag acts as a filter, capturing dirt, debris, and allergens during the vacuuming process. Regularly removing and replacing the dust bag is crucial for maintaining the vacuum's cleaning efficiency. Preparation. To begin, make sure you have the following items: your vacuum cleaner, a replacement dust bag suitable for your model, and a clean surface to work on. Having these ready will streamline the process. Locating the dust bag compartment. Next, locate the dust bag compartment on your vacuum cleaner. It is usually located on the side or rear of the appliance. Refer to your vacuum's user manual for specific instructions if needed. Opening the dust bag compartment. Once you've located the compartment, gently open it using the designated latch, button, or release mechanism. Be cautious not to force it open, as this may cause damage to the vacuum. Removing the dust bag. With the compartment open, carefully remove the full dust bag from the vacuum cleaner. Some models may have a dust bag holder or additional clips holding the bag in place. Take note of how the bag is secured before removing it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.